Hi, I'm Xenowave, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can streamline your resampling workflow in FL Studio. The main thing that streamlines the resampling process is the left control plus left alt plus C shortcut that allows us to render the audio of whatever we select in the playlist. I have a simple res here. It's just two saw waves slightly out of tune with some distortion turned on. That's it. Also, in the plugin settings, I right click on C9 to make it my new root note so that I can play bass notes on my keyboard easier. I do this all the time. If I want to quickly render this into audio, you have to select it, or I like to use left control, click and drag, and then we press left control, left alt C, and press enter. And there it is. Since resampling involves dealing with raw audio, it's a good idea to export this project as a zipped loop package, which is just a zip file that has the project and all of the raw audio inside of that file. I recently did a video on zipped projects, so I'll link it in the description for you. So let's zip this project up before we go any further. We go to File, go to Export, go to Zip Loop Package, and just press Save. And there it is. Now you won't lose any of your raw audio in this project. Off screen, I routed this into a mixer track and then loaded it in a patcher so I can load in as many effects as I want. And then I have this default chorus, this wave shaper right here, this graph, this frequency shifter of these settings, and EQ, this notch over here at 822 Hertz, and then another wave shaper with this graph. Also, if you don't know how to use Patcher, you just right click on the Add Plugin, and then on your right is Effects, on your left is Generators. Have fun. So here's what it sounds like now. So if I want to resample this, I'm going to select it, and then press left control, left alt C, enter, and there's our new sound. So now let's say I want to quickly resample with Harmor. I'm just going to get my channel rack, get my Harmor out, go to image. No, where'd you go? Alright. Do that, and then do whatever I'm going to do in Harmor. I'm just going to kind of do what I know. And hope it sounds good. Not too bad. That's pretty neat, actually. I'll rock with that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna make a new pattern. Perfect. And I'm just gonna consolidate again. And there's my new Harmor thing. And let's say I want to granulize this. Open new granulizer, drag it in there, and mess with these knobs. And so on. That's the general gist and workflow of this. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have an awesome day.